Okay, tell him to stop and back up.
How do you back him up?
Wiggle the rope like you were doing. Not so heavy. Just do it light and then you get big if he doesn't listen. So go light. Light wiggle. Now get a little bigger. There you go. Okay, now tell him go forward again like what you're just doing. Good job. Okay, now tell him to stop. Back him up a little bit.
What?
Back him up. Keep backing him. Okay, now ask him to come to you. Just light and easy. Say, whoa.
No, okay. That's not working. We're not doing that. Okay, we're not doing that.
Why are you standing like you're doing it? You haven't told him not to. Say, whoa. Back him up.
That's a lot of backup for you.
It's good for him. Okay, now have him come to you and pet, and then you pet him. Now say, whoa, and pet him. He's like, yeah, grass.